Hi there, welcome back. So this is a bearing, this RG7230. It's the bearing for the third motion shaft on Mark 6 and R-type manual gearboxes. The critical thing about this bearing is the shoulder on this outer race is square. Originally they had a rounded shoulder, and that meant that if there was a lot of sideways pressure on it, it could actually break the clip that retains it, or it can break out of its place and cause gearbox failure. So if you're rebuilding Mark 6 R-type manual gearboxes, make sure you fit the modified bearing stock, RG7230. That's all for parts for now, but what we're going to start doing on these videos is ask a quiz question. So I'm going to ask a question, and whoever comments correctly the answer, we will pick someone who wins a free goodie bag and a discount voucher. And we'll also mention everyone who gets it right in the next video. So the question is, who can tell me the firing order for a Silver Shadow? No one should be going up and looking it up. It's if you know it off your head. So anyone who can write that off the top of their head will win a goodie bag and a discount voucher. And we'll get you on the next video. All right. Good luck.